Good morning, beautiful ladies. It's been a while. The last wig I reviewed was actually a color. It was the discontinued Trestle Rocher, really so I can show you the color Velvet Cream. But I think I might be doing Jon Renau a favor by reviewing this not in its original form exactly. I mean, it's not been cut or anything, but let me just say I had to encourage a little bit of lift in this baby. This is the new Stella Star from Jon Renau. This is heat-friendly synthetic, which that helps if you want to get some lift. It's heat-friendly synthetic. This is the color Martini 101F48T. It's a blend of gray, some light brown, some dark blonde. It's really kind of a dark blonde gray blend to really do a summary of it. But you know, it says 75% gray on brown. The 48 is a combination of gray with brown, and it has white tips. And I think it's like got some pearl white on it. It's just a really pretty one. Now, this is Martini and heat friendly. I've had Martini plenty of times in regular synthetic, and I have a January right now. I guess I should have brought that one out. But as you know, heat friendly is going to make it look a little bit ashier even than it does, I think. Now, the description was not that helpful. It says something about gold brown. Well, I don't see gold brown. So that's just my eyes. I don't know. In person, to me, it looks like a light neutral brown. I don't know. That would be up to you for your interpretation of that color. But I'm going to show you what this looks like on all sides. Stella Star is a full monofilament top. A beautiful monofilament top. An extended lace front, super soft ear tabs with the felt and the nape, velcro adjusters. It's a very nice wig. And almost zero permatease. I don't feel any real permatease on this wig. I don't see any real permatease. There may be the slightest hint somewhere, but it's not going to feel like it has any permatease on your head. And it's ultra low density. This is the most natural looking wig. It is, well, let me see. I was comparing it with a Trestle Rocher. That also has similar cap features and similar permatease level. However, the Trestle Rocher has a lot more hair on it. I had to thin out both of mine to make it more natural, less poofy on me. Because I've lost a lot of weight from when I first started wearing wigs, and my face is not as broad, and the big hair doesn't really work for me anymore. I don't like it flat, but you know, the big hair doesn't work anymore. So let me stop talking. Let me show you this on all sides, and I'll show you how it came out of the box. And how it came out of the box is probably why most people might return it, might not want to buy it in the first place. I don't know, but let me show you, okay? She's cute. It weighs about 2.6 ounces is the last thing I saw. That is ultra lightweight. And it's beautiful. Okay, let me get up here and show you. I haven't not trimmed my lace front like I normally do. I normally do the pinking shears on it, and I didn't do that. So it's got a good bit of lace up here, okay? But look how the hair is done in that front lace. It is stunning. My hair's peeking out right there, I think. But my hair, my natural hair color, is very similar to the nape. Now this 101F48T has a little darker nape, which is exactly how hair actually darkens over time for blondes. So this is the perfect color for blondes going gray. Or you want to try something with a little bit of gray that's not totally gray, you know, not salt and pepper or anything like that. This is really nice. Super nice. Okay. When it first comes out of the box, she's pretty much a hair helmet. And the stock photo doesn't help with that at all. But let me tell you, you know what the interesting fact about this Stella Star? It is the haircut of Jon Renau's wife, Stella. Stella Star. Stella, her name is, I guess her maiden name is Stella Reynolds. She was Mrs. Jon Renau, and this is her hairstyle. So this is patterned after her hairstyle. So that's what Stella Star. But yeah, this is super nice. Let me get up here so you can see this color. So you can see this color here. It's beautiful. Beautiful color. Hope I'm on the right mark here. I need to make a mark here so I don't go off camera. Okay, that's just to show you the color. So, I think she retails about $324. You can get it in clearances and such. But considering how she came out of the box, I think she looks pretty good. And you will not feel like you've got anything on your head. Okay, this is an average cap. I'm not wearing petite, even though I'm a petite average technically because of my ear to ear and hairline to nape measurements, which are both 12 inches, which is child size. I'm 22 inches on the mark, dead center circumference. So, and it fits me really well. I adjusted the Velcro into where there's like an inch or so between the last thing, and there's not a great deal of bag or anything on this crown. There may be a tiny bit, but really it's not a baggy cap on me. So I think it fits beautifully for an average. And yeah, this is just, I mean, the color, you cannot beat this color for transitioning to gray. So ladies, I'm not sure how long I'll have this channel. I don't buy that many wigs. As you know, like I said, the great wig chase is over. The only reason I was drawn to this one is because I did see it on one retailer that it didn't look like a hair helmet. She had mussed it up some, and I thought, I can wear that. I can wear the hair helmet, but I can wear that. So if you look, again, this is how she comes out of the box. You know what I did with this? I hung her upside down, shook it. And while the hair was separated, sprayed it with Tressolure wig wax, let it dry that way. And even up here on the crown, I took my heat styler, my Hot Tools air styler, and I put it on 300 degrees, and I lifted it from the roots here. So if you mess with it a little bit to get your volume, and you spray it with some Tressolure wig wax or whatever hair fixative kind of thing you want. Now everybody says they love the way Tressolure wig wax smells. I can't stand it. I don't like the way synthetic hair products smell. If they could just make them with no fragrance, I'd be eternally grateful. So there you go. Stella Star, Jon Renau, heat friendly, full mono top, extended lace front into the ear tabs. It fits nicely. It's not like average large, I don't think. Now, it could be if you let the adjusters all the way out. I don't know. But I have a very secure fit, just like it is. I don't need glue on my lace. I will use the pinking shears because I think if you tighten down your cap, then a straight line on the front of the lace can actually make a demarcation, and it will dig into your makeup and pick up the makeup. So if you actually use pinking shears, either the wavy ones or the normal V-shaped ones, I think it breaks up the line. That's what I'm trying to say. I'll turn around one more time and show you this. And easy ear tucker. Oh my gosh. I mean, every bit of the hair can go back there. Even my glasses and the ear tabs, every bit of the hair can go back because it's so low density. And if you're permatease averse and you like low density, you might want to try this one. Anyway, that's all. Hope everybody's doing well. It's getting cold out here, and we're heading into the cold part of fall and the holiday season, which we don't participate in holidays here. However, it's going to be a busy time for most people, and I hope everybody is doing okay. This is a trying time for the country, and I wish everybody well. God bless, and thank you for watching again. Bye.